Welcome to this video. In this session, we will explore what a 404 error page is, why it appears, and how it affects your user experience and SEO. Understanding this will help you handle broken links more effectively. A 404 error page appears when a user tries to visit a web page that does not exist on the server. This could be due to deleted page, incorrect URL, or broken link. Common causes of 404 errors include pages being removed without redirects, user typing an incorrect URL, changes in page address without updating links, and expired content. 404 pages matter because they directly impact your user experience. If visitors land on a missing page, they might leave the site immediately. This can also hurt SEO if search engines find too many broken links. While occasional 404 errors are normal, too many can waste crawl budget, reduce trust, and lead to lost ranking if important pages are missing. Creating a custom 404 page can turn a negative experience into a helpful one. You can guide visitors to relevant pages, include a search bar, and add friendly messages to keep them engaged. You can fix 404 errors by setting up 301 redirects to relevant pages, updating internal and external links, and restoring missing content when needed. Use tools like Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, or Broken Link Checker to find and monitor 404 errors regularly. A 404 error page tells user the requested content cannot be found. By monitoring and fixing these errors and by designing custom 404 pages, you can protect both user experience and SEO performance. Thanks for watching. Regularly check for 404 errors, fix them quickly, and use a custom 404 page to guide visitors back to useful content. And subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.